Tony Despirito of BlackRock writing pockets of irrational exuberance and a trading environment dominated by non-fundamental investors create abundant opportunities for skilled stock pickers. Tony joins us now for more. Tony, good morning.
Good morning.
Good to see you. You mentioned that phrase, irrational exuberance, pockets of. Where do you see those pockets right now?
Yeah, so I was very careful to use the word pockets because I don't think that applies to the whole market. But I do see a market where, as I've discussed, the nature of the participants has changed. Fewer fundamental investors, more high-frequency traders, more retail investors. I think that helps fuel maybe some of those pockets. And then where I see the pockets are things like price-following strategies are doing very well. Unprofitable companies are doing very well. Some meme stocks. On the flip side, what's doing poorly? Min vol's doing poorly, dividend payers are doing poorly, et cetera. And so that's where I see the pockets of irrational exuberance.
You've heard the phrase irrational exuberance before. We all have. It goes back to the mid-90s.
Yeah, sure.
And when it came out of Greenspan's mouth, there were still a few more years to go. The debate that we've had around this table a few times over the last month or so is whether it's the mid-90s or the late 90s. I think we've got to ask also whether that's even an appropriate benchmark to think about stock markets in 2025. How are you thinking about those themes?
Yes, so I think about it differently, which is I think about it in terms of, is it a good market to be a stock picker? And I hear some people complain about some of these pockets of rationality, but to be a good stock picker, you actually need mispricings, right? And so I really like a market where I see the pockets of mispricings. And so in terms of the market overall, I think we're on much sounder footing than we were in the late 90s.